Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the rewards and the sound. Hold the clicker in a steady position. Make one clear, single click now to test the tone. Once done, show a treat immediately after the click so your animal links sound with reward. Make sure to repeat this pairing 5-10 times in short bursts. Keep sessions under 5 minutes. Use soft treats sized about 1/2 to 1 centimeter so your learner stays motivated without slowing training. You now bridge behavior to the click. Watch closely and click within 1/2 to 1 second of the exact action you want. Timing is crucial. Then hand the treat promptly. Do not delay, so your learner connects behavior, click, and reward. Once that link is strong, gradually shape more complex steps by reinforcing incremental progress. Raise difficulty by about 10 to 20% at a time. Make sure to alternate praise and treats to maintain motivation and clarity. You finish by chaining and proofing the behavior. Click each correct step in a sequence and deliver a larger reward at the end to mark the complete chain. Once reliable, proof the skill in new environments and slowly reduce treat frequency to about 50% while keeping intermittent reinforcement. If things go wrong, if clicks are mistimed or the animal's confused, stop, go back to single-step training, and rebuild the timing with immediate clicks and consistent treats until the connection is solid again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.